And now, viewers, a major political storm has erupted in Rajasthan, and this is over the fate of Aravalli Hills, 2 billion-year-old mountain ranges, among the oldest in the world and the state's first line of defense against desertification. Now, the flashpoint is a decision to exclude hills below 100 meters from the legal definition of the Aravalli range, a move the opposition says it could strip protection from nearly 90% of the hills and also unlock the gates for large-scale mining. Now, in this case, Congress leaders, including former Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot and leader of opposition Tekaram Joly, both of them have called it an ecological catastrophe, warning that the Aravallis block the advance of the Thar Desert, recharge groundwater and also shield northern India from extreme heat and pollution. Now, they argue that weakening this natural barrier risks turning vast parts of Rajasthan into a dust bowl. The BJP, however, maintains that this is a judicial matter and not a political decision. In fact, it has hit back at the Congress, accusing it of hypocrisy and pointing to rampant illegal mining during its own years in power. The controversy, in fact, has now spilled onto the streets in Udaipur. Lawyers have now launched a sustained protest demanding the protection of the Aravalli Hills. Members of the Bar Association say that the new definition threatens Rajasthan's fragile ecosystem as well as the future water security. Protests have also been reported in Jaipur, where the Congress staged a Save Aravalli demonstration accusing the centre of weakening environmental safeguards. In fact, it is not just opposition. Independent leaders, civil society groups, all have joined the movement, warning that dilution of protection will benefit mining mafias and permanently damage the region. And now, viewers, amid the growing criticism that we're now looking at, Union Environment Minister Bhupendra Yadav has strongly rejected all of these allegations. The minister has instead accused the opposition of spreading misinformation and fear. He says that out of the total 1.44 lakh square kilometer Aravalli region, mining eligibility only exists in about 0.19% of the area. And according to the minister, the remaining Aravalli region continues to enjoy full legal protection. The government here insists that the Aravalli range is safe, preserved and that no large-scale environmental damage will be allowed. Now, viewers, we'll tell you exactly why Aravallis are important for northern India. Now, the Aravallis are not just another hill range on the map. They are one of the oldest mountain systems on the planet and a lifeline for northern India. Stretching right from Rajasthan, Haryana, Delhi, these hills act as the region's green lung, absorbing pollution and filtering dust from the air that we breathe. They stand as a natural wall against the Thar Desert, blocking scorching desert winds and slowing the process of desertification. The Aravallis also play a decisive role in regulating regional climate. They prevent soil erosion, recharge groundwater and aquifers that millions depend on. Now, further, they also support a rich biodiversity and fragile ecosystems that cannot be replaced once it is destroyed. For Rajasthan, in specific, the Aravallis are critical in terms of water security. Remember, it is already a water-stressed state. And simply put, weaken the Aravallis and North India pays the price in terms of heat, dust, water scarcity and ecological collapse. So this is not just an environmental issue, it is also, viewers, a survival issue at this point.
टोटल अरावली का एरिया 1,47,000 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर है। इसके बाद केवल अभी की जो मेरे पास 39 डिस्ट्रिक्ट है, केवल 217 किलोमीटर मतलब 2% में ही माइनिंग हो सकती है और वो भी हर तरीके से नहीं हो सकती। उसके लिए भी सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने डायरेक्शन दिया है कि आपने जैसे सारंडा और झारखंड में एक पूरा पहले माइनिंग प्लान बनाया है, वो प्लान तैयार करिए। वो प्लान तैयार करने के बाद भी ICFR जो इंस्टीट्यूशन है उसकी परमिशन होगी, उसके बाद ही परमिशन मिलेगी। दिल्ली में कोई भी माइनिंग अलाउ ही नहीं है, ना होगी। मैं फिर दोहरा रहा हूं, दिल्ली के अरावली हिल्स में माइंस पूरी तरीके से बैन है। अरावली में लगभग 20 से ज्यादा फॉरेस्ट रिजर्व प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया वो एज इट इज रहेंगे।
हमारे यशस्वी मंत्री, केंद्रीय मंत्री जी भूपेंद्र जी यादव जी ने कहा था कि करीब करीब हमारे राजस्थान में या पंजाब में और गुजरात में 3 जगह तो करीब 98% से अधिक तो हमारी संरक्षित है, आरक्षित है। इसके अलावा 1-2% है। निश्चित रूप से इससे हमारे कोई राजस्थान में इसकी हानि नहीं होगी।
Whenever a definition is changed, the destruction doesn't start at that moment when the definition is changed. The destruction happens much later. This is a precondition for other activities to or other players to start thinking about that mining and those mining plans to be made, and those later on destroying Aravalli. So you are very right in saying so. If this definition goes ahead and isn't taken back, the lungs which we have in northern India, one of the oldest mountains which we have, and it's not just that these Aravalli, these mountain ranges shields us from the desert, storms, dust, and other things, but they also serve as a groundwater aquifer recharges, and not just for that region, for a large region in northern India. If these goes away, the desertification, which we all for last 5 years have been thinking about creating a better and more greener wall in these Aravallis, will go away, and lot of activities such as mining construction will happen. And why do we need to do this mining? We want to mine this because we want to build more buildings. Now let's be clear that there are other building materials which can be used, which can be built, and those are, we should invest in research and development of those technology, those materials, rather than mining these pristine forests.